Hello everyone. Hello. It's your girl, Lady J. And if you have not subscribed for my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more videos, you will be the first person to know. And if you have subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you. My people, today's topic, now for all those ladies who be say if they bring their brother come, now then go decide who their brother go marry and who their brother not go marry. You know, I don't really understand why I be say some women, because they bring their brother come, now you come be their god. Now you come to tell the brother say, see what you go do, see what you not go do. My dear, I don't see many before I can see you another one again. You know, that is now you want to tell your brother who you go marry. So doesn't mean say because you bring and come now you gonna be God now. So anything when you want to do, you go first take permission from you. Say, sister, this girl, I want marry him. You say no, you not like him. You go say me go another one. I want marry him. You say no, you not like him. Because you bring and come now you can be like a God now. Where you come to tell and say, see what you go do. You come to push him around like dumb baby. I don't understand. There is one when I know that time too. He say lie, we not go gree make your brother marry this girl. Lie. He not go gree you. He not go gree you. Now you want to tell your brother who you go marry, who you not go marry. Because you can't bring and come, now you don't get say again now for your life. So now you will come and tell and say push him around like dumb baby. This one, this will not be from our tribe. You not go marry him. You go see obey because na his sister will bring and come. You go see obey. Another one will still come again. You will say no. You go still obey. Another one will still come again. You will say no. You go still obey. My dear, you bring and come, don't be say now you can be like a God. You try what you take bring and come, fine. But say you can't push him around, make you nothing make choice for yourself. Now you want to make choice for him, my dear. Happiness matters a lot. What about if that girl they give him happiness? You don't even think him. If that girl be said now they give him happiness, now they give him everything, you know if you can go tell and say make you not marry that kind of girl. I don't understand some people. You can't decide for your brother, say so who you go marry, so see who you not go marry. So then you go even that kind of woman now. If you see tell your brother, say see who your brother go marry, now you go come tell him I go to even sleep with himself. Now you go even tell him I go to put John Thomas inside. Now you go tell him I go add the girl go to open the only pot. I don't understand though, my people. Mona say me Mona say me shook mat for this thing, my people. Because my dear, you not get right for over a life again. Now your brother fine, but say you come the other am around. That one I not buy am. You know? Okay, this one now say he love this girl. He want marry her, but his sister say lie. He not go grave because not before they are tribe. Are you kidding me right now? Who tribe help? Who tribe help? Not be happiness matters a lot, my people. Now happiness be matters a lot. So me not come know this one will be say now sister will come to tell the brother say see who you go marry, see who you not go marry. This thing they happen for many home. This thing they happen where many. I don't see the one be say they follow brother they keep an enmity up because of say he marry woman when he don't want me marry. You know? This one say lie, we not go grow, your brother not go marry this girl. If your brother marry, he not go come the wedding. Because now he's supposed to decide for your brother, say see who he go marry and see who will not go marry. My people, this one if not be happiness matters. Not be where she will get her happiness. The boy will get the happiness. This boy say, this girl they make and they happy. So make you can't leave the girl now because of his sister. My people. It's not good, You bring your brother, not me say you come home in life. As in, now you will call the tell and decide for and say, see what he go do, and see what he not go do. It's not good. It's not good now. You don't already live your own life. You don't get your own family. You know how make your brother get your family again. A guy whether they come of age, you say make you not marry. My dear people, this thing some of our ladies they do to their brother is not good. It's not good now. Let your brother make choice for himself. Not be you go make choice for him. Not be you go tell him how you go about his life at all. But don't pass that stage now. You're gonna tell man say see who you go marry, see who you not go marry. Who does that? Don't pass that stage. So many people they do that thing. So many people. What about that one where you want to go bring? Can't give your brother now. At the end, they gonna say can't show an. You're gonna say I die no. I don't know, it don't late that time. The girl where your brother supposed to marry that time, don't go marry on that person. You understand? You don't know whether now God be saying that girl can't give him. But you can't say because say now you know pass. Me, your brother not marry the girl. It's not good, my people. It's not good. I don't want to make this video long. I just want to make it short just to tell some of our argument where they do that thing. Not be you order your brother around because you bring her come. Not be you go tell him who you go marry. I beg. When I help me share this video, make it reach everybody, and I want see una comment. What do una think for this topic when I talk? What be your own contribution? What be your own, what you want talk for this video later? I beg. Write your comment. We want to see your comment too. Write your comment for down below, please, because this thing I don't really like understand, my dear. You bring your brother, not Mr. and you go decide for him. Let your brother make your own choice. I beg. Happiness matters a lot for this life. Nothing like happiness. Person not use money to buy happiness. If woman they give your brother happiness, let your brother marry him. You don't go decide for your brother. You only bring and come. Not be say you come home in life and you come to tell and say, see what you go do, see what you not go do. Say I go to sleep with your wife. Say I not go to sleep with your wife. Say I go to eat. Say I not go to eat. Say I go to buy trouser. Say I not go to buy trouser. My dear, no man, not do that thing again. Leave your brother that happiness. Let him get him from that woman. Forget all those one where you want to introduce for him. It don't make sense. I beg. Make una allow una brother marry their own choice. Not be you want to make choice for them. So thank you everybody. This video I don't want to make it too long. Make it just short like this. I beg. And continue to subscribe and subscribe for my YouTube and like my video. I beg. When they like this, when they put like, I beg. Anybody will watch. I mean, not easy to come see. They talk. They make una the happy like this. I beg. Make una say they put thumbs on for me. When they like my video and subscribe and share this video for me, please and please and please share this video and subscribe. And that place where they subscribe, and I be that red light where they there. And I be subscribed. So people don't know. Just press that red light until you don't subscribe. Then you'll press like. Then if you want, maybe say they give you notice if I put video. Just press that small bell where they there. That small bell will just give you a sign. Say I put video, you know, so they'll give you notice. I don't need to say that to you again. You understand me? So thank you everybody and take care until I come your way next time. Remain Lady J. Bye.